joining you, the people of Laikipia County, as we officially launch the Makutano Huduma Center today. With this 53rd such facility, we are devolving a people-centered service to the doorstep. We are reaching over 60,000 customers per day through the Huduma centers in 33 counties across the country. Opening of this facility in Laikipia County increases our reach to the people of Gobit, Tigidi, Vingidu, Umande, among others. Indeed, the Makutano facility is strategic. It will serve over 500,000 residents of Laikipia and the bordering counties whose Huduma centers are far away. The Cabinet Secretary and other relevant agencies are working to ensure all services as per the demand are available. The national government has moved services online, making them available with technical support from Huduma centers and other relevant agencies. I call on all the counties to consider moving all their services online as a priority for better delivery. In limiting human interaction through technology, we also make service delivery cheaper and free from corruption and other vices. Based on the experience of the last 10 years, the Huduma centers have proved an essential component in not only service delivery, but also a support system for employment. It is for this reason that the Ruto administration is keen on working with the members of parliament in establishing Huduma centers in the 290 constituencies across the country. This is through Huduma Jitume Digital Center, which incorporates the Jitume hubs for youth empowerment in digital jobs. I invite members of the National Assembly to take advantage for the co-funding model to establish Huduma Jitume digital centers in their constituencies. We must create jobs for our young people. Our President, His Excellency Dr. William Ruto, has been traversing the globe looking for jobs for our youth. The immense digital skills and expertise are the passport to these digital jobs. Creation of 1,450 digital hubs, one in every ward, is a visa to the foreign jobs that the President has negotiated for the youth. Even as we connect the country with free Wi-Fi hotspots and laying the 100,000 kilometers fiber optic connectivity network, the future, which is now, is digital. We must be prepared.
Ripoti ya Munini wa President Thirikari.